Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Cake. Realme announced the Realme Buds along with the Realme U1 couple of months back, and now these earphones are available to purchase. And today in this video, we will show you whether these 500 rupees earbuds are worth buying. So let's start. Realme Buds are available at a very attractive price of Rs 499, and recently we bought one from Amazon.in. And today we're going to find out how is the performance of these budget earphones. So here is the box. In the front we have the Realme branding and the picture of the earphones itself, and here it says at the bottom that these are the in-ear earphones. At the back we have the specifications. The model number is RMA101, and we also have some technical specification written here at the back, such as the 11mm driver size and some other info. The MRP of these earphones is Rs 699. Now let's open the box and see the content. So inside it, we get another black box which has the earphone, and I must say that it's nicely packed and the presentation is very good. Inside the box we get the user manual, some extra ear tips, and here we have the earphone itself. Now let's take them out and we will look at them closely. The first thing I immediately noticed that the build quality is top notch. Keeping in mind the price, they are the best earphone I have seen when it comes to the build quality. And I'm saying this because of couple of reasons. First is the cable. We get the braided cable which is definitely feels durable, and because of that you don't have to worry about breaking the cable. And the second reason is the design of the earphone itself. You get the R logo, which is Realme logo here on the earbuds, and they are also magnetic, which I think will be helpful especially when you want to carry them in your pocket and doesn't have to worry about tangled cables. The magnet part is somehow I don't understand, as they're not wireless, so not sure what is the proper use, unless you wear one of the earbuds around your neck. Talking about other features, you get a mic and also a 3-button controller here. And lastly, we get a standard 3.5mm headphone jack. So that's pretty much all you get in this earphone, and till now in terms of quality, we give this earphone a big thumbs up, keeping in mind the price of them. Now let's check the main function of these earphones, which is the sound output, and we'll see how they perform. The in-ear earphones are quite comfortable to use, and as they're lightweight, I find them pretty comfortable. Now let's play some songs and we'll see how is the sound output. Realme claimed that these earphones will give you 160% bass as compared to the regular 10mm driver earphones. And during our testing, we found that the bass is definitely enhanced in these earphones, but it's actually not that great. I would say in this price they are pretty good and just above average when it comes to the bass output. When it comes to the overall earphone performance for music and movies, I found the performance was okay, and to be honest, just average for my taste. Bass is just average, nothing great about it, and there were some distortion I noticed at high volume, especially for vocals, and things like instruments and background music is pretty flat. But for casual use for music and movies, they are pretty good. I also played PUBG with them. I was able to recognize the footsteps and gunshots direction without any issue. So here is a question, if the Realme earbuds are worth buying? In Rs 499, you're definitely getting a superior build quality earphones. Things like braided cable and the overall quality of these earphones are pretty good. But when it comes to their actual usage, I would rate them just average. And if you're a bass lover and buying these for the advertised 160% bass, then you'll be disappointed. And in this price range, it's better to go with either the JBL C100 SI or 200 SI. But for that, you'll have to shell out another 300 to 400 rupees. But that being said, if you just want to spend only Rs 500 and doesn't mind some compromises on the sound quality and looking for a better build quality earphones for some rough usage, then you can buy these without any second thoughts. So that's it guys, this was the review of the Realme earbuds. Let us know if you like them, and also tell us which earphone you use for daily usage in the comment section below. And if you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.